After you've kept the engine on the timing at 40 degree, you need to lock your camshaft gear, the exhaust camshaft gear. You don't need to lock the inlet, it's only the exhaust. It has a special tool. You can also use this Allen key, this Torx spanner. To lose the camshaft sprocket, you need a 24mm socket with an handle and a 660 Torx. So you put it there. For the inlet, it is a right-handed thread. You have a standard losing, you lose to the left. For the inlet sprocket, you lose to the left. That's a standard thread. While for the exhaust cam is counterclockwise. You lose to the right. That's a left-handed thread. So here we go. For the inlet, need to counterbalance from the rear. It's like for the exhaust, you tight it and it loose. For the inlet, come on, losing. For the exhaust, loose. So that's how everything is done. And before that, make sure you, from the exhaust camshaft there, make sure you lose your centrifuge out. Is a 8 E8 Torx socket. Thank you.